signed up for the course because it came at a really good time for me. I've just graduated from 4 years of my undergraduate and graduate degrees. So it's coming at a point where I'm going into the working world, and it's quite a transitional period. So I thought that was a really good way to kind of mark that transition and prepare myself for the working world. The biggest takeaway I got out from the course actually was how everything built around the first day's activities. So when we talked about personal values and what we considered to be important to us and what we considered to be our versions of success, I thought that was really important because that really makes really influences your decisions over how you choose the next step in your career or how you make your long-term plans. I think one really great thing that I've learned from the course, apart from things like Gantt charts, which I applied the other day at an event, and it was really useful. So those are really small, practical, short-term things that I've actually put into practice already. I think also be really useful in terms of making decisions, going forwards into my career and taking what sort of projects I want to be taking up and what sort of projects I don't want to be taking up. During the course, we also talked about our long-term 3 to 5 year plans and how we could use SMART goals to implement that. So given those things that I wrote down, I think that would be really useful in the future in terms of guiding my direction, guiding my decisions. I think it'll also be really useful in terms of public speaking, which everyone does quite a bit of nowadays in their workplaces. This course takes a particular interest in the whole person, in what they believe in, what they consider to be success, and as well as how they might get there. I think the course comes from a perspective of understanding what young people might struggle with going into the workplace or into the next phase of their lives.